See, bring me the S. Bring me the S. Good boy. Okay, drop it. Leave it. Leave it. Look at me. Bring me my purse. Where's my purse? Go get my purse. Where's the purse? Where's the purse? Yeah! Bring me my purse. Go get my purse. Yeah, you got it. Go get it. No, bring me my purse. No, I don't want to. Go get my purse, Fitzy. Come on. Yep. Come on. You got it. Give me my purse. You could do it. Come on, you cute thing, you. Come here. Okay, look. Okay, grab my purse. My purse. Bring me my purse, because I'm too lazy to get it. You got it? Okay, come on. Bring me my purse. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Bring me my purse. You got it? Pull. Come on. Come on. This is the first time that he's actually known what a purse is, so he's pretty smart. Come here, Fitzy. Bring me the purse. Bring me the purse. Come on, you could do it. Come on. Okay, bring me the purse. Bring me my purse. Come on, you can do it. You're so smart. Come on. Come on, you gotta pull. You gotta pull. Alright. Okay, drop it. Leave it. Leave it. Drop it. Drop it. Now he thinks it's his. Nope. No. Drop it. Nope. That's right. My purse. But thank you for trying to bring it to me.